Happy Wednesday, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Just wanted to give you a quick little Wednesday update here on the old Dodge. As you can see here, we've now swapped in these plush, lovely SLT Laramie seats from our parts truck. You probably remember, insert a photo here, you can see what the seats used to look like. They were really gross. And they were, you know, institutional, bottom of the barrel vinyl grade seats. These are really nice in here, and it just completely transformed the way the inside of this truck looks. Still got a little bit more to do. We wanted to try to have the wheels swapped on here to show you. Check out what we found out here. Come along to the back. So this is our parts truck. Came with these Ultra Motorsports sports wheels. This is the one that fell off that caused the parts truck to crash. And you can see the seats, some of them are actually completely basically gone, and it just wallered out the holes really bad. And so here's another good example one right here to look at. They're basically just destroyed, and we were concerned. We don't want to put this on the truck. It might loosen up and fall off again. Can't have that. And they basically look brand new. I was like, oh, okay, let's go down to the local tire store. I think Les Schwab carries Ultra wheels. They could probably order us one out of a catalog. So we go down there. The guy comes out. We actually did this at 2 different stores because we looked on the Ultra Wheels website and found out who the local distributor was. So anyway, this story I'm going to tell you happened twice in one day. We go down there. They said, oh yeah, we carry Ultra wheels. Told him a little story. The guy said, oh yeah, I'll be right out. Let me check them out. So he comes out, and the moment he sees it, he goes, oh, we haven't carried those for 7 or 8 years. They quit making them 7 or 8 years ago. I was like, really? Are you kidding me? That's a shame. I said, these things look basically brand new. Somebody really must have taken good care of them, you know, for 7 or 8 or 9 or 10 years or however long. I'm like, that's kind of weird. So we come home. I'm like, well, maybe I can find one used one on eBay or some tire store or wheel place or something. So we turn them around and we start looking on, you know, to find out what the offset is and all of that. And Sal goes, look at that. Made 2020. These are brand new. These are a year old. So they're still making these things. I went on the Ultra website and found out, sure enough, they still make these. And that's when we went back to the second Les Schwab and heard the same exact story. Sal showed him the date on there, and what'd the guy say? Just like, oh, that's weird.
He said, yeah, that's weird because they stopped making those about 7 or 8 years ago. I was like, well, that's kind of funny because it says 2020 right here.
Yeah. So anyhow, we found the actual model of these. It's called a Rogue 175 is the name of these wheels. So anyhow, we're gonna have to try to call them up because there's, you know how it is when you order wheels. There's about 20 different options, different offsets and all that. I need to make sure I get the exact same one. So we're gonna get that ordered. It might take a little while to get here, but anyway, end of the Wednesday update. Stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment below, and we'll catch you on the next video.